Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. Today's tutorial is all about creating a halation effect in Nuke. So here I have a footage with 350 frames. I'm just taking the project settings and reducing the frames as 20 frames so that I can play back it smoothly. Also I am confirming like the resolution matches the project settings. So here I have to change the project settings into the input resolution. Yeah, now it is set. Now I'm just playing the footage. Yeah, here I have a footage with some candle flames and I want to create a glow effect or a halation effect around the flames. So I'm just taking a glow node which is inbuilt in Nuke, and yeah, we can see some kind of glow effect in the footage, but overall it is some bleach effect is adding upon the footage. Instead of that, there is another method which I will show you later. We can alter the properties also, like to reduce that effect, but I feels like something is missing. Yep, this is not the effect which I want. So even we can reduce the tint also. Yeah, but this is not working. I'll show you yet another method which is very basic and which is a key for you to explore further. I'm not telling like this is not the only method for creating this one. So I'm just taking a blur node. So let's give a value here. Okay, now we have blurred the footage, taking a grade node. Okay, this is just for reducing the black and white areas, so you can play with the gain, gamma, anything. Okay, so I have created it like this. Now we have graded the blurred footage and I'm just taking a merge node. Okay, so let's connect the B into the input and A into the graded blurred one, and let's give the operation as minus. So now we have minused this blurred effect from the footage and we have got something like this. So now I can play with the grade node, even the black point and white point also we can adjust. And I'll just tell you how grade node helps in adjusting the glow later. So I'll just take a multiply node. Okay, let's take a multiply node. Yeah, this is the control for the glow effect, and taking a merge node and just merging that effect with the input. Now we have got a blurred effect, so just give a mix value of 0.5. now let's compare this effect, like I will reduce this multiply here. Okay, now let's compare with this glow node. Okay, let's see how the outcomes. Yeah, we can see a lot of difference, right? Yeah, this halation effect is working perfectly. So we can increase the blur value here and let's see how it is coming. Yeah, this is creating a good effect. Now I will just reduce the multiply. We can play with it according to your need. You can adjust that and get a result. Yeah, this effect is really working. So instead of glow node, we can take this option and we have a lot of control here. So it's not like glow's properties, we have a lot of controls here. Yeah, you can see that flame around that flame some halation effect is there, and we can even change the color of the flame or the halation. Yeah, I'm just matching it like this. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Yeah, okay, so this is fine, and now we can adjust in a lot of ways. We have control here. So I'll just take the blur node and increase it very much bigger value. Okay, now let's see. I'll reduce the color also. I will match that according to the input. So I will increase the green bit. Yeah, now I have matched the input. Okay, I will increase the blur little further so that, yeah, now we have, yeah, this effect is really cool, right? We cannot obtain this result from the glow node, so this is a handy trick actually. Even you can play with the multiply also, you can play with the operations. So I think plus works well, so I'll just keep it as plus only because plus works well. So instead of stencil, I'll keep it plus. So, and we can reduce the mix or increase it according to our need. Okay, so all these controls are there. You can control it anywhere to get a result for your comp. So yeah, even I have created the multiply. Let's see the difference here. Like yeah, this is awesome, right? Let's play and see how it is coming. Yeah, now we have got a good halation effect very easily with set of nodes that is already available in Nuke.